Hi, welcome to A Simple Wellness Moment. This is a space where we focus on one small shift, something simple you can use to support your body, your mind, and your day. It's not about doing more. It's about one small, simple shift that helps your body and mind feel a little calmer and supported. This month's theme is Natural Sense, Natural Reset. And the collection I'm sharing today is a limited time option this month, so I wanted to share it while it's still available. This is doTERRA's Rescent Your Home Citrus Wall Diffuser collection. And there are two things that I really like about it. First, it's a simple, natural way to move away from synthetic air fresheners. And second, it creates a fresh, uplifting environment without being overwhelming. The collection includes 4 essential oils: citrus bliss, citrus bloom, bergamot, and supermint. And they're all used with these wall plug unit diffusers. You actually get 2 diffusers, which makes them really easy to place around different areas in your home. They have a few settings: motion sensing, timed, and manual. And the fine mist delivers a subtle scent as you move through your home throughout the day. No batteries, no recharging, just plug them in and go. One of the reasons I am sharing the citrus collection is that citrus oils are most commonly used to support a more positive, balanced atmosphere. And sometimes that small shift in your environment can make a difference in how your day feels. I like to place these in the hallways, bathrooms, and entryway, places you pass through often, so they naturally become a part of your day without you having to think about it. They're also great for travel, hotel rooms, cruises, even RVs. I've left you access to this collection in the description, but just in case it's no longer available, I included another option that works in a similar way. If you decide to try the Natural Sense, Natural Reset Citrus Collection, you'll receive an email from me with a link to schedule a free 20-minute Zoom, where I help you to use everything in ways that fit your day and what your body might need. This is just one small shift, but sometimes that's all it takes. Let me know in the comments if you'd like more of these simple wellness moments. I'm happy to share what's been helpful for me.